everyone, welcome to Bite Size Yoga. My name is Ailin and today we will be doing a seated yoga sequence focusing on releasing tension in the neck, shoulders as well as opening up the chest. I hope you find this relevant, especially now when a lot of us are working from home, self-isolating, and that might cause a lot of tension to build up in our posture and hunch over our workstations. Not to say that it doesn't build up ordinarily, but I hope you can do this when you go back to the office as well. You can do this at home. All you really need to do now is find yourself a chair or the edge of the bed. I'm doing it on my sofa, which is what I've got, but that works. So get ready and let's go. Alright everyone, just make sure that you're seated at the edge of whatever you're sitting on and relaxing through the shoulders. Let's take a deep breath here. Inhale, bringing your palms up, looking up at your palms, and exhale, releasing. Let's do that once more. Inhale, looking up at your palms, and exhale, releasing. One last time here. Deep inhalation, looking up at your palms, and this time when you exhale, interlace your fingers and bring your palms behind your head. Focus on opening up your chest. Imagine someone is drawing both your elbows back and stretching through, pressing your head back into your palms. And don't forget to breathe. When you forget to breathe, a lot of tension builds up in the neck, so breathe. And one last breath here, and exhale, release. Now, inhale, stretch your right arm up, and exhale, bending at the elbow. Left arm goes up and catching hold of your right elbow, stretch. Right palm is just behind your head. Remember, lift, and every time you breathe, lengthen up through the spine. Breathe. Lengthen up a bit more, sitting up a bit taller. Make sure that your sit bones are rooted to the chair. And release. Let's go to the other side. Now, inhale, left arm goes up. Exhale, left palm behind your neck. And right arm goes up, grabbing hold of your left elbow. Same thing again. Just holding, imagine, lift it and breathe. Elongating through the spine with each breath, creating that space. You can close your eyes if you prefer. Remember, most importantly, to breathe, opening up the chest and shoulders. And release. Back to center. Now let's stretch out your shoulders. Right arm goes across the chest. Using your left hand to add a bit of pressure. Make sure your chest is square to the front and just holding there. A couple of deep breaths here. Releasing any tension in the shoulder. This is really good, especially first thing in the morning, when you wake up. And exhale, release. Other side. Left arm across your chest this time. Using your right hand to apply a little bit of pressure. Not too much, just gentle. Stretching, and with each breath, stretch a bit more, going deeper into that stretch. A bit more. And release. Back to center. Give your head a couple of rolls around through the neck. Rolling your shoulders. And let's come to cat-cow position in a seated position. So palms on your knees just in front of you. And inhale. Curving through, rounding through the back, chin to chest. Exhale, bending your elbows, pushing your chest out, stretching through. Inhale. Chin towards your chest, rounding through the upper back, bringing your belly in. And exhale, pushing out through the lower back, elbows bending, pulling in towards your ribs, eyes forward, chest out. Do that again. Inhale, at your own pace. And when you exhale, remember to push forward. Push, push, push. So you can do cat-cow here. You don't really have to go onto your mat all the time. So this is a way that you can do it while you're sat down in the office. You know, hopefully you won't attract any weird stares from your co-workers. You shouldn't. And let's give this one more stretch, stretch, stretch on the exhalation. And let's meet back in the center. Alright, if you have got space, let's do this with our arms stretched out. Inhale. And when you exhale, bring your arms back. Stretch, 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 pulling through your shoulders. And inhale, rounding through the upper back. So adding more movement in. Exhale, stretch, pushing your chest forward. And inhale, bringing your palms out in front of you, palms to meet. Exhale, stretching back. And inhale. Do this a couple more times at your own pace. Stretching, really feel that movement through the shoulders. And exhaling, squeeze. Imagine someone's pulling your hands back, stretching forward as much as you can, going deeper into the stretch with each breath. Let's do 2 more here. And last one, let's do this together. Inhale and exhale all the way back and hold. Inhale and exhale, release back to center. So just give yourself a little bit of shake through the shoulders, through the neck, whatever feels good. And I hope that helps, and I hope that gives you a nice start to the day or a nice break in the course of your work day. You can do this a couple of times throughout the day. Why not? Yeah, hope you enjoyed that and hope you find that useful. Practice, 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 and you will feel much less tension in the neck, shoulders, as well as a nice stretch throughout the chest. Alright, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and hope to see you next time on Bite Size Yoga. Happy practicing, champs! Bye!